This is the final result of my project. Now I'm going to unplug the cable of the LED to simulate a loss of power. The LED of the Lattepandareview turned off, and I received the notification saying that the power grid is down. Now I'm gonna do it again by applying back the cable. I'm plugging back the cable. The LED turned on also on the Lattepanda. In a few seconds I will receive notification. Let me check. Here it is. The notification saying the power grid is on. Now as you can see, this is the Python script. It's running on the Lattepanda. Let me unplug the cable. I get an off on the script, and also the desktop notification comes. Here it is the notification to my phone. Now I'm gonna unplug it back, the LED. As you can see, I get an on message on the Python script, and this is the end of my project. Thanks for watching.